PWCCA members, raise your hand, yell something. There we go, good. If you're not, by the way, thank you for that membership. If you're not BMW members yet, you can join today. 15% off all the merch.
Yes.
15% off all the merch. You get the gift bag with the hat. You already get your monies there. And you get a free one of these. No, wait, that's not true. Okay. Speaking of cool cars, one thing of housekeeping. Who's got the freaking awesome F31 on BBS outside? F31, white wagon. It needs to move right now while an employee's getting out, and then just repark it. And then show me the wagon later, because it's looking really good. All right, so what we're doing now, again, I'm going to give the microphone to Samantha here in a minute. We're revealing the liveries on the M4 GT4s. Yeah! She'll say most of what I'm about to say, but even better. But they'll be campaigned in the U.S. in SRO.
Pirelli GT4
for the whole gig. In fact, I should just let you say it. Go.
No. Just want to say thank you guys for coming. Today we're celebrating the first win of the M4 GT3, which is that car right there.
Yeah!
We were the first in the world to receive these two cars, as well as the first to win at the 12-hour Mugello this time last year. But we've got some brand new G82 M4 GT4s that's been built here. They will be campaigned at Sonoma 2 weeks from now. So without further ado, Henri.
There's no up. Here we go.
Wait, that's the wrong car.
Wait.
That's the wrong car.
Here we go.
Oh, I like it.
Oh my god, it's not.
Dang. I like that one a lot. It's got and logo.
So, pardon me for getting in the way of your videos and stuff. I'll be done in a second. Again, thank you all for coming. This will go till 2 o'clock. Thank you to the Coffee Dose. Am I saying that right? Yeah, Coffee Dose. That's complimentary coffee. I got 3 of them. They're really good. I promise it's really good coffee. The food truck outside is really good. Not complimentary, but really good.
And we have a raffle later.
We're giving away
A 118.
the 118 of that. Not that, but the 118. $200 values? We're giving away the 143.
Priceless.
And the 164.
And a detail from Gustavo, who's somewhere.
Where's Gustavo? There he goes. He did this car, by the way. I made it dirtier, but he did it like a month ago.
That's a Motul, so free Motul oil. Thank you, Motul.
Motul oil kit. A Brio's trunk kit car care bag. It may not be the product Gustavo uses, but still being donated. Probably a few other things. Probably a CCA membership. And also speaking of that, there's a discount on membership or renewals today. They've got a code up there. Mike and Bessie, where are you at? They drove down from Northern California and then we stuck them at the front desk the whole time. Thank you for staffing that. Hot Wheels donated the Hot Wheels to CCA members. That was cool. What else?
Thank you, Kyle.
Thank you all. Enjoy the cars. Enjoy lunch. Raffle 1. Raffle 1 o'clock. I'm done.
There you go. Good job.
I meant to want to give you
No more shouting.
this is my school. So the MSA is going to be really good.
Made it in.
I mean,